Okay, SBL Strategic Business Leader Information replace it is SBL. It is a replacement paper of P1 P3. All right. I have heard that many people perceive that this is a combo of P1 and P3. It is just a combination of P1 and P3. So it's it includes it includes P1 P3 course outline. Okay, but it's not a combo of P1 and P3. Okay, it's more than that. All right. It is a task-based paper. It is a task-based paper, and this paper is of not 3 hours paper, but it's 4 hour paper. Okay, 4 hours paper. It is 100 marks case study paper. That means you will have one case study which will include background of company, financial statements of company, its operations, board of director, board of directors of company exercise. In short, you can say a complete financial statements of the company. All right, and in in one particular 100 marks case study, you will have different requirements which you have to deal with it. Okay, number one thing. Number two thing, that it consists of, it's not too easy to get those 100 marks, as these 100 marks are now uh, is split between 80 marks technical knowledge, 20 marks is the professional marks. All right, uh, those professional marks, uh, those 20 professional marks is not like that uh, previously professional marks that you just make headings and make your make your presentation tidy and cleaner and you will get those. No, sorry. All right, now these professional marks is actually based on five professional principles, that is communication, uh, commercial acumen, analysis, evaluation, and skepticism. All right, and if you think that you will ignore this 20 marks and just focus on 80 marks to just pass this exam, sorry folks, that's not gonna work, because if you ignore this 20 professional marks, you will not gonna pass these papers, because without this it cannot be done. All right, so that's it for this informative video. I will share more information about this video in my future upcoming videos about SBL information. And rest you can take my accountancy live online classes or video lectures which I'll be launching soon. So see ya.